Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix OBS microphone not working. So actually guys, all you gotta do is to launch your OBS Studio, and after that just go ahead and click on settings that's located on the bottom right. And after that, everybody, as you can see, we are presented with left hand menu. It contains multiple options. I want you to click on audio, and right here everyone will focus on the mic auxiliary audio. So right here everyone, I want you just to make sure that your correct microphone is selected and don't use the disabled or default option. So right here just make sure the actual microphone is selected, and let's consider that you didn't find your microphone with these options. So just go ahead and make sure your microphone is plugged in. If you found that your microphone is not plugged in, just plug it and restart OBS, and then go back and do the same steps. After that everyone, I want you to go into that icon, right click on it, and then just go with the sound settings. So right now everyone, scroll a bit and focus on the input section. So right now everyone, you will need also to make sure that your actual mic that you are using right now is selected. So to make sure, you will need to look for that slide to pop up, as you can see on that video. And also everybody will need to make sure that you didn't miss a single driver of the microphone. And that's it everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.